We drippy, drippy, all year round. We drippy, drippy, we drippy, drippy. We drippy, 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 drippy. Oh yeah, we drippy, 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 drippy. We drippy, drippy, all year round.
Woo! What's going on, guys? It's your boy, man, Stono Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, you already know I'm on Pulsechain, baby. I be on Pulsechain 24/7, man. People be sending me stuff about B&B. Man, only reason I go to B&B is for drip. I can't wait for Thursday, baby. For DDD, the UI, that's it. Otherwise, I'm on Pulsechain. Some people, speaking of that, Bob, hey, bam, my first Pulsechain DApp is Pulse Miner. One thing I like about this one, man, is first movers advantage, and you can't beat that, bro. It's just like B&B Miner on B&B, still paying me. First movers advantage. I don't want to hear about no clones and all that and change the color. This is the first one. And I just like getting, it actually just, it ain't even been 24 hours. So, and we got to get used to these big numbers too. This thing got 113 million posts. You know what I'm saying? You would think, oh man, that's $113 million. No. No. It's not B&B. You know what I'm saying? This is Pulsechain. Got it. Cause I put 5 million in here. You got to check twice. You got to go back to the exchange and make sure it's only $1,000. That's a lot. I mean, that's a lot for a miner, but it's only $1,000. You know, I can play around with $1,000, especially to get Pulse every day. They pay you 3%, right? Especially along with the contract going up, you get your little compound claim strategy. And another thing I like about it is let me show you. Well, I can't show you, but if you look right here, the devs already got. I guess it's more than one. I would like to say devs because I believe it'd be teams. I don't know. It might just be one person, but the devs got another layer 2 coming, like another game or something. I don't know if it might be ping pong or coin flip, blackjack. I don't know, but it's just the first part. It's just something to come get Pulse every day. You get what I'm saying? And so, hey, I like it. It's clean, simple. It's Pulsechain in and Pulsechain out. That's, hey, no coin to go to the exchange and switch and look at the chart and see if it's being manipulated. Pulsechain in, Pulsechain out. You know I love it simple, baby. So anyway, man, you already know what a miner does, man. First movers advantage. I don't need to explain everything. So 5 million got me 20K miners. Let's see what it do. And I'll be compounding, carrying on. You know, I'm gonna show it to you every day. Still paying. You know how I do. That claim button work, we in the good. The claim button don't work, we in the bad. But yeah, man. So Pulse Miner, my first thing. Hopefully they make it a good experience, man. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see how I do. Anyway, what else we got going on? Pulsechain. Let's check over here on my farms. Let's go over here and see what I got going on. Cause you hear people talking about, man, is it time to panic? Pulsechain, panic? Bro, it just been 10 days? 11 days? Like, what are we doing, bro? It's a new blockchain. This is not a DApp, bro. This is a blockchain. Like Solana, like Arbitrum, like BNB, Tron. This is a blockchain, bro. Chill out. Let it develop. Jeez Louise. Boy, hey man, these meme coins got people it got to be overnight success, microwave. It got to be, come on, man. Let me show you something. All right. You know, I'm transparent, so I be showing you my stuff. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Took another 2,000 out, deals. You know what I'm saying? Wait, you see my breed, boy. My breed ain't playing, boy. I don't know, man. The deals is diving over here. I don't know what, man. And I got another 1,300, 1,100. What it is? Another 2,400 I'm finna take out. Oh, and I got some scrap down here. I got some spatch hay. Life in the bad lane. I went to a concert. My voice was hoarse. $164 right now. That's good for some people. That's good for me. So you can't get jaded in crypto, bro. I get excited to see anything I ain't got to work for. I go to the store. I walk the dog. Go play basketball. Go play tennis. Rub a little alcohol on my feet. You know what I'm saying? Some preparation H on my hip, and I'm good. I come sit. I know what that preparation is. Is that for arthritis? I don't even know. I just saw the commercial that preparation eggs. Started that's for headaches and stuff. Man, I don't even take medicine, bro. Like I don't even never get sick. I don't take medicine, so I don't even know nothing about that stuff, bro. But anyway, don't get jaded by crypto, by big numbers and stuff, and you start thinking this ain't nothing. $164 for doing nothing. Doing nothing. I would be cool with this, bro. Seriously, this is a part-time job. I ain't got to do nothing. And you know what? This ain't been long because I wasn't even in this pool in last video. Come on, man. Don't get jaded by crypto, man. And what? $100 is $100. That's $100 bill, baby. Who can use $100 bill right now? Exactly. So, let me show what I do. Going to harvest that. I'm going to show you how I do it now. I had somebody on my video talking about, Stoner, we see you making all that money, but show us how to do it. What you mean show you how to do it? Don't do it talking about, I'm still trying to figure out how to claim my sacrifice. Like, what? Come on, bro. Go watch some how-to video, man. Like, come on, man. I don't know if they be trolling or I think they be dead ass for real, boy. I don't be feeling sorry for y'all. Know me. I don't be feeling sorry for nobody. But come on, man. This money is passing you by every day. Pulsechain is giving away money. This remind me of the Manor Farm. Remember the Manor Farm when Forex came out that Manor Farm? I told y'all, I said, bro, this is a broken ATM machine. I don't about to check your feelings at the door and get that money. And by the time you got your feelings right, it was gone. You know what I'm saying? But it wasn't, he only did it for like, I think, 14, 15 days. It was supposed to do that. He just gave away money. It's free money. He just gave it away. It was just like a bonus for everybody. Just a little bridge in between, dripping animal. Man, it was crazy. That Manor Farm was the truth. Ooh, man. But anyway, let me show you some of that harvest. I ain't gonna even touch my little spare change at the bottom. I just come over here to the exchange. I don't care about what the price is of the ink token and all. I could care less. People trying to, I'm just gonna hold the ink token. Well, my thing ain't thinking. There we go. Thing wasn't thinking for a minute, boy. See, I ain't panic, I ain't hollering. Well, Richard need to do a live stream. Richard need to do live. People, boy, I tell you, man, the things you hear in crypto, I don't care. Richard don't never do live. It'll be good. It'll be cool for him to come on and talk about the progress of Pulsechain and what's coming. And I'm sure he will, because he tweeted. He said, if I do a video, what do y'all want to hear me talk about? So, yeah. What you think we want to hear you talk about Pulsechain? Oh, and another thing, boy. BitBoy finally uttered the words Pulsechain, bro. Finally. But he wasn't talking about Pulsechain. He actually talking about Hex. Because he was going over his garbage portfolio. A little guy try to show off and it don't work out, bro. He was just he the portfolio king. He gonna do a whole DJ portfolio and show us how to do it. Man, that shit down like 89%. Then you want to blame it on Hex. Well, Hex this and Hex that and blah, blah, blah. And this is when he mentioned Pulsechain. Like, and all is going down because all the mention is on Pulsechain. Which actually, I hate that because, and I said that before, even during the sacrifice, I was like, I hate the fact that Pulsechain is directly correlated to Hex. You know what I'm saying? Because when the longer the delay, Hex was like being stagnant, going down because it was tied to Pulsechain. People somehow thought that when Pulsechain come out, Hex gonna somehow go to $2 or something. Like, no, man, it don't work like that. So, and you see how Richard took that Hex and Hex pool off the thing. You gotta separate that stuff, man. You see how like Forex he don't intertwine, drip with whatever else he trying to do. If it's for drip, it's for drip. When that time will come, and that time is here. But when it was animal farm time, it was animal farm time. Like, you gotta let these devs do what they think. They do stuff for a reason, bro. Everybody want to be a dev, but you ain't Devin. Yeah, did I not swap? I could have swap. I hit swap. I could have swap. Did y'all see me hit swap? Could have swap. Maybe that's just to prove or something. I don't know. I thought I hit swap. But come on here. I know I hit it that time. Oh, probably the price keep changing. Y'all keep messing up the ink coin. What I do? Come on here. Come on, man. Okay, well, that's it. Now it went through. There it go right there. So I got to reject that. Bam. Well, you got to pay attention, boy. You want that money so fast, so quick. Come on, Richard. But Pulsechain pretty smooth, too. But anyway, so do what I do. I take that, and all I do, come to the bridge. Go to Pulsechain bridge. Gotta wait till it pop up. There it is. And just figure out how much you want to take. I'm just gonna take 2,000. Leave the spare change in there. Do 2,100. Cause take a little fee. It take a little fee. See 20. You know what I'm saying? Bam. Go sit in there. Right on up there. Hit it. I still ain't got my mouse, so it's with my finger. Okay, there it go. Hit. See ya. That's it. Once I confirm it, I just walk away. I probably won't do it too. And it's fast now. Like the bridge ain't taking but like 10 minutes. You know what I'm saying? In and out. So shout out to Richard for that. Everybody was, even me, complaining about the bridge. But hey, you gotta have that bridge out now. I'm happy now. You know what I'm saying? You can't just have it one way coming in. Oh, somebody said Solar Roll was back too. I hadn't even checked. Like anything on Binance, man, I had not been over there to check, bro. I probably got so many whales candy tokens lined up. I know my drip wallet's fat. I'm just waiting on DDD. What that stand for? Oh, drip, drop, draw. You know what I'm saying? You already know what it is, man. But anyway, and that's it. You ain't got to wait for that. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to wait for that. It's over. You click out on that, and then you go to transactions. And Richard doing something. There it is. And then you hit the, when you ready to claim, hit your MetaMask, hit Ethereum, and then you claim it to Ethereum, and it's over on Ethereum. That's what I do, baby. You see it. You see what I'm saying? I'm about making money like your boy, man. Easy money on Pulsechain. Don't listen to a Richard. You're doing a good job, baby. Let me see. Check my phone back out. See if I'm still. Well, look at that. Ooh, just in that little amount of time. Look at that. I earned $10 right there. $7 right. Come on, man. Where else we doing that at? Where else we doing this at, bro? Some people make that an hour. Some people pay $9.50 an hour. I just made that in like, 2 minutes and 60 seconds? Come on, man. Like, I keep having to do this because I don't want people to get, like I said, jaded by crypto, man. But anyway, man, check out Pulse Miner. It's new. Link in the description. We're going to get this Pulse every day. You know what I'm going to do with that? Send it right onto that bridge. Don't get mad at me because I know what's going to happen. Get about a month, 2 months. Oh, just the people that got in early making money. Tell me something I don't know, bro. So if you don't want to get in early, why are you complaining about the people that did get in early? That's the one thing I never understood about crypto. Nobody wants to be first through that door. Nobody wants to take the risk, but everybody want to make the money. Is it risky? Yes. But if something paying you 3% every day, it's going to be risky. That's not normal. Bro, that's not normal. So yeah, everybody who clicking the link today to get in, they're going to be the ones to make the money. Not the one that get in 3 weeks from now after the money been made and all that. Wait for layer 2, bro. Just wait for layer 2 then if you ain't going to get in. But anyway, man, like the video. Comment, subscribe. Look, I'm on my phone. Forex don't sleep, bro. He all in my Telegram. He giving away the alpha too, boy. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy, man.